Welcome back to Bad Attitude C10. Week 2 of our Fast Trucks Matters contest features an 87 step-side Chevrolet pickup from Moonshiner Garage. The truck is powered by a 496 cubic inch big block Chevy with 2 stages of nitrous. It has a turbo 400 transmission with a 4000 stall converter and a Ford 9-inch rear end with 410 gears. This all-steel 3,400-pound beast stops the clock somewhere in the mid-5s in the 8th mile, and here's Moonshiner in action. If you are not already a subscriber to Moonshiner Garage, I highly recommend you go and check them out. And as always, please like and subscribe.